Hello, beautiful souls. Welcome back. Welcome if you're new here. This is a 5 minute to peace meditation, a meditation for you to reset your day. So, wherever you are, you could be in the shopping centre, you could be at home, at work. Make sure you're sat down or lay down, whatever you like. Perhaps put on your headphones to have a better experience and give yourself these 5 minutes away from the hustle, the bustle, the tasks and the noises of the day. 5 minutes to simply be with yourself here. This moment is yours. So, gently close your eyes if it feels right. Notice your breath, soft inhales, slightly stronger exhales, like waves reaching the shore, steady, calming and simple. Feel the rise and fall, the gentle rhythm of being alive. Let your body sink a little deeper. Let your shoulders release and let your jaw soften. You don't need to do anything, only to notice, only to arrive. Bring your attention slowly through your body. Your head, your neck, your shoulders. Notice any tension. Feel your hands resting. Notice your feet on the floor and allow yourself to feel the support beneath you, the quiet presence of your own body holding you. You are here and that is enough. Now, turn your attention inward to your heart, to your mind. How are you, really? Even if only for these few minutes, let yourself notice what feelings are present, what thoughts quietly pass through. No need to judge or to fix. Only observe and honor what is. Imagine these feelings gently floating like leaves on a calm stream. Some stay, some drift away. There is nothing you must hold, nothing you must carry. You are allowed to rest here, even for a few minutes, even just to breathe. Carry this pause with you, a quiet breath in your day, and remember that your feelings matter, that you matter. And when you are ready to bring your awareness back to the room around you, or to wherever you are. Perhaps take off your headphones, gently open your eyes, and step back into your day a little calmer, a little lighter, even a little more seen. So beautiful souls, thank you for being here. I really hope you've enjoyed this 5-minute disconnect from the hustle and bustle of life. If you have, and you want to support the channel, feel free to like, share and subscribe. And I will see you in the next one.